As-salamu alaykum everyone and welcome back to Aimansmomkitchen. So today I'm here with a quick recipe of the cold coffee. So let's begin. First of all, you need to take one sachet of the 3-in-1 Nescafe. You can also use other coffees, but this video is specifically for this one. Then you're going to be adding the 2 tablespoons of sugar in it, and this is a granulated sugar. You can also use the powdered sugar instead of this one. So then we're going to be adding 2 tablespoons of warm water. Make sure the water is not too much warm. You should be adding the lukewarm water. Then you gotta beat it with a beater, and if you're having a coffee maker, then using it. And we're gonna beat it just for the 3 to 4 minutes. We are not gonna make it fluffy. So have you ever tried this 3-in-1 coffee sachet for the cold coffee? If never, then try this video and make it very carefully. It's really easy. We're going to be adding the 3 tablespoons more warm water and mix it well. As you can see, the dark brown color has been converted into a very light brown color. And now we're going to pour it into the milk pot so that you can pour it into the glass easily. Now, first of all, let me tell you, you can select the glass on your own. I selected this glass and I really love it. It's a coffee glass. Now we're going to prepare it for the serving. So first of all, at the bottom, we're first going to be adding a little coffee mixture in it, and then we're going to be adding a lot of ice. Of course, it's a cold coffee, so we'll be requiring a lot of ice in it. So I asked my mom to put a little more ice cubes for me, so she just put on like 6 to 7 in it. So if you're new on the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon, okay, so that whenever you're going to be getting new notifications from our side. Now we're going to pour milk, and then we're going to pour a little more coffee to make it more delicious. The more coffee, the more delicious it is going to be. And here my mom's preparing another glass, and the same method we're going to be using. First the coffee mixture, then the milk, ice, and again a little bit of coffee. And try this recipe, and I'm sure 100% you're going to be loving it. So this was, I think, more better than the mocha coffee. We go to the any kind of shop or there, we're just going to be buying it of 200 rupees or 120 rupees, a very small bottle, and here you're going to get a huge cup of that.